So with some of that background in mind, we wanted to show you a few examples of how Oracle's digital assistant could be used on a website for simple things like answering FAQs regarding holiday shopping, checking on promotions, and doing return policies. And we'll also show how, or Connor will also show how the digital assistant can seamlessly hand off to a live agent when necessary. So with that, I'm going to turn over to Connor.
So this current demo that I'm about to show you is going to include intents and menu options for a holiday shopping experience within customer service. This use case would be a customer visiting a retailer's website during the holidays, asking about such things as store hours, promotions, return policies, price matching, etc. So this digital assistant is going to show you how it can help customers get answers to those questions. The scenario would kind of play out as a holiday shopper is kind of prepping to go out and go shopping for the holidays. They're coming to a retailer's website and see that there's either a chat icon or somewhere else on the site they see the ability to have live chat and have that chatbot respond to them. So as you can see here on Fishbowl's site, we have this floating logo or icon down in the corner that's going to prompt the chat dialog if I click on that, which is going to prompt the digital assistant to start and get going. So for this example, I'm going to go now to the demo and show you how this scenario would play out. So coming to the retailer site, click into the bot, and you can see here that you have the menu options. So to start, when the shopper is going to come to the site and begin the interaction with the bot, the first thing they're going to want to do is figure out where's the closest store to me and what are the hours for that store. So they're going to prompt that menu to begin, and then they're going to see, as they're clicking through the menu options, that you've got store info here as the second option. So they're going to click into that, which is then going to bring up the subset of other options, which the first option there will be store hours and locations. So we're going to go into there to then figure out where that store is and what the hours are. We're going to put in our zip code to figure out what that closest store is. There, then the bot will give you back that information, which will allow you to know where that store is and what the hours that you're working with are. So now that we know that, we're going to want to go back to the start, which we can do from going to this option 3 here, which will bring us back to the main menu. And now that we know where and when we're going to be able to shop, we're going to want to see what those holiday promotions that such store is running. So we're going to come back through here. You can see there's a product info, and now we get to the promotions tab, which we'll click into. And here you can see that there's a few different options. You've got a product-specific one, you've got trade-in offers, holiday deals, and that's what we're here to look for as we're prepping to go out shopping. We're going to click into here to get our options and see the deals that such store is running during the holiday season. Here you can see that you've got, TV deals, laptop deals, etc. As we were going through this, though, we recalled that there is a product-specific offering in that. So versus starting back over and getting another piece of information, we're just going to go back to the topic list under promotions, which will then get us back to this point where we can click into this AirPods Pro offering that the store has out there, and we can see the information regarding the specific promotion that the store is running on an Apple Watch and AirPods and what happens discount-wise when you purchase both of those. So now in this process, we've gone through, figured out where the store is, what time it's open. We've seen the promotions that they're running during the holiday season. Now we've actually purchased an item. We came home with the item, and the item isn't exactly what we thought it would be. So now we're curious what the return policy is at such store. So we're going to go back to the start again, click into menu. You can click through, or we can just type in return into the digital assistant. It's going to ask whether we purchased that online or in store. In this situation, we purchased it in store. Here, the digital assistant's going to show you that return policy, let you know what you're able to do. Here's now where we're going to show the live agent handoff, because in this case, let's say that the shopper purchased with a gift card at such store, and in that return policy, there wasn't enough information regarding a gift card purchase, so we need to talk to a live agent to get a further explanation of what we need to do in this situation. So side by side here, you can see where we've got Service Cloud operating. You can see that that agent would have this incoming chat coming in. They're going to accept that chat. And here now back in the digital assistant, we can see that the live agent interaction has begun. So we're going to say, what is your gift card return policy? That'll come over to the Service Cloud agent, where the Service Cloud agent can then say, with a gift card, the purchased amount will be refunded onto the gift card. There we can see how that interaction goes, where now the shopper has received all that information regarding a gift card, and at this point doesn't have any further questions, so they can just say, okay, thank you. And that interaction then is finished at that time. Continuing through the demo, though, what we're now going to show is the ability to have the digital assistant operating in a different channel. In this situation, we're going to show the exact same demo in an SMS text format, where let's say that the shopper now, say they're getting ready to go back for a second trip to the store. They've operated or interacted with the digital assistant on the website, but now, they're en route to the store, and they've got one last specific question, or they want to figure out again what those promotions were. So here you can see that you'd be able to have a contact save if you've got a loyal shopper that shops there a lot, or you can provide that phone number on the website for shoppers to interact with when they're not able to be on the web. Here now it's going to give us the same options that we had when we were operating in the web format. As you can see here, that's going to be the same type of menu system. You're just going to interact with it a little bit differently. So in this situation, like I said, say that we, drove back to the store, and originally we bought a laptop, and are now bringing that back to return it, but we recall that there's that AirPods and Apple Watch offering in the promotion. So we're going to look through here and say that we want to view the promotions. There we can see again, here's the promotions that they're running, and we're going to figure out what that promotion is as we're, say, walking from the parking lot into the store, and just want to be refreshed on what that offering is. So here you see that ability to operate the same digital assistant within multiple different channels, and how that can be extremely helpful to a shopper in the holiday season.